In this part, we'll continue talking about list view. List view has a builder which retain the same widget multiple times. So, practical wise, it's better to make a builder than repeating the same code multiple times. Type list view the builder, then add only one widget. It will return widget as many times as you want. It has also an index. You can define how many times you want to be repeated. For example, 5 or 2. Now let's try to return our index. Let's say it's 50. Notice that we need to convert the index to strings because text takes only string values. The indexes of a list always start with 0, not from 1. If you have 50 items, your index will be from 0 to 49. Now let's make it more practical. Let's make a list for days of the week. Now let's make the length of our list. The length of the days of length. Let's return days by index. So the first index is 0. So the first the day 0 is Saturday. Same manner, day 1, day 2 until Friday. This view builder have multiple properties. One of them is scroll direction. You can make it either horizontal or vertical direction.
That's all. Have a nice day.